what we will be covering in this workshop, okay, direct, indirect speech, okay, the TP-TP rule. Have you heard of the TP-TP rule before?
Not really.
Have a look at it today. I think that's why you're here, to learn something new. Question here, this is an example to show you how to go about applying the techniques, okay? So whenever you see a direct, indirect speech question, this is what you're going to be doing later, okay? You're going to put in TP-TP at the side. You see there are ticks and crosses here. So if I have to change the first T, which is tense, okay? For you, because it's your first time doing this, you're not going to write TP-TP, you're going to write tense, pronoun, time, and place. So it's easier for you. You don't have to keep referring back, okay? But as you get familiarized with this, then you can just write TP-TP, okay? So first, how I go about doing this, okay? I'm going to explain how I go about doing this. And then the next question, you are going to explain to me how to go about doing that. Okay, so tense here. I look at the question. I looked for it for an entire hour, but to no avail. Jim exclaimed. Okay, now I know the person Jim. Jim is a guy, a boy. Which question were you looking at? Okay. You're right, though. Okay, okay, let's get our bags. They said to get their bags. Right? Okay, yeah, okay, and that's it.